Model, 61-plate Vauxhall Vivaro long wheelbase, diesel 2.0 DTI 115 PS Sportive Van 2.9t body, white, panel van mileage, 143440 MOT, 5 November 2023 engine, 1995 CCM 9RA transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Slight leak coming from the radiator will need replacing, engine is 100%, gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is below average. Interior is below average. Rear load area is below average. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, EU status, Euro 4 HPI, clear cap retail, 4,000